How to fix if your Hinge account has been banned for no particular reason and if your account is permanently locked. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix our Hinge account's ban. So without any further ado and without any delay, let's get started with today's video. If your Hinge account has been permanently banned for no apparent reason, you can try appealing the ban through the in-app process. Now the help center from Hinge also says, if I go to their help article that says how can I appeal my ban, it says when you open the Hinge app you will see a screen explaining your ban. Your specific screen will provide the details unique to your situation. So you will see a screen like this. And when you tap on, and you'll also see the appeal button next to the screen. So right when you open the app and you see that, you will see the appeal button. When you tap appeal, you will be asked to describe the nature of your appeal, specifically why you believe your account did not violate the Hinge terms of service. Once you submit your appeal, you'll receive a confirmation that they have received it, and they are only able to process appeals that are submitted through this designated in-app flow. So not from website or anything, but right from the pop-up, when you tap on the appeal button, you will get these options and you can select it, and they will only process the appeals that you have sent from the app and not from other sources or like through email or support. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.